all, welcome back to the Innisfree Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here with a Innisfree holiday kit review and first impression. So this is the kit which I'll be talking on today, and this is the Super Volcanic Clay Museum Mask set, and this one I bought it from Nika. This was a holiday edition kit, and this one is of 1450 rupees. You get all the products which you need for pore concern issues or taking care of your pores. And when I open it, I have all these beautiful products here. This is the full size of the pore clay mask, which is the 1450 rupees, and then all these you get deluxe size samples free. So you get one of the pore clay museum mask, and you get a pore cleansing foam here which is of 30 ml, and then you get a volcanic pore toner which is of 25 ml here, and then you get a Innisfree super volcanic pore clay mask which is again of 20 ml. So it's really good size to use the other products and see if you want to buy, because when you want to buy anyways this individual product, you get all these products free, and that's really nice in a pretty box which you can always reuse after using these products. So the first one, as I said, the main thing in this is this super volcanic museum mask. You also have double charge super volcanic range in Innisfree. I have not tried it yet, but I've tried this one. I really like this one, and I really like this one more than this one because I have dry skin. I'm not sure, but this one is really suiting my skin more than this one. It's really good as well. If you have oily skin or acne prone skin, you can try this one. That's what the store person told me, and I brought this one for my sister as well. She really likes it. She has acne and oily skin. And this one is the clay mask which combines super volcanic clusters with micro clay muesli for powerful pore care. And this actually has the Jeju volcanic cluster. So Jeju is an island where they have this volcanic lava eruptions, and they have the entire area is covered with the rocks clusters of the volcanic eruptions, and this is which is enriched in really good minerals, and which is really good in cleansing your skin and improving your skin texture. So this, they actually use this the volcanic clusters from Jeju. Very good for pore care concern, and you get this in this kind of pump packaging. You have to open this, and then you press the this one to get the product out. It's a muesli mask, so it's really nice and muesli, like creamy in texture. You can easily spread all over your face, and then you wait for 10 to 15 minutes, and then once it's dried off, to use lukewarm water to clear it off. It's really nice. I really like this one. I'll do a dedicated video on how I use this one, so I'm not covering much in this, but yes, this is the first thing you get in this kit. And the next thing you get is a super volcanic pore clay mask. The only difference I feel is this is the muesli texture difference. Otherwise I think it's the same. And you get in this kind of thicker masky consistency. I already have one more which I'm using, so I didn't use this one. I think these deluxe sample size lasts a long time because it's like 20 ml, and you get a lot of uses out of it, because you don't need much to spread this one particularly. You just need very little spread out your face and then use it. And the next thing you get is this pore cleansing foam. I really love this one because I have been using these tiny cleansing foams. I like most of the cleansing foams by Innisfree. I think green tea one is too much foamy. This is not really that much. It doesn't strip my moisture. I only use it when I want to use this mask specially. Otherwise I normally don't use this regularly. This is a 30 ml one, so it's a good size as well. And the last thing you get in this kit is this Jeju volcanic pore toner. I have not used this much. I used it only once or twice whenever I use this one. In regular I use many other toners what I have currently, so I'm not concentrating much on this. It is deluxe sample size, which is 25 ml. I only used it once or twice. You can see very little amount, and it has a powder particle, so whenever you want to use it, you have to shake it before you want to use it, and it actually helps very good in shrinking your pores. One of my friend has used it, and she has told me it really works well, so I'm excited to try this one. I don't have much pore concern, but I have blackheads, whiteheads issues, but as it's anti-aging also, I know I have to also take care of my pores, so I'll definitely use this one. But overall I really like this kit because the samples are not like very tiny, these are like tiny samples, but even this one itself is 10 ml, which is good, and this is like big one, 30 ml, 20 ml, which is really of nice size, and you can use for a couple of uses, and it's more like a full size to me actually, to be frank. So with this amount you get all these 3 extra, so it's really beneficial and it's really good if you want to gift it to someone, because it's really good as a gifting thing. And I already gifted one to my sister, she is happy. So I really like the packaging as well. You can use it once you empty the contents, and the box is really reusable as well. So yes, this is what I had for today, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks all, talk to you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.